I'll tell you a very good paradox when you talk about pre-revenue funding. Okay. Now, when you go to the investors and when you say that we don't have any customers right now, but we have taken the sample testing of the products that we have, we've done the sample testing, and I think the feedback is excellent and we're good to go. But to actually scale the product to that level, we would require your capital and your guidance. So that is what you pitch to the investor. Now, once you pitch to the investor, obviously they're not just going to give you the money just like that. They're going to do your entire due diligence. But once again, if you tell them that my company is looking forward to generate revenue by so and so stream, there is a 90 to 95% chance approximately that they will reject your company and they will tell you a no. Okay. But if you tell them that I do not have any plans whatsoever to raise any revenue at all, which is again very out of the box, because hey, why would any investor fund you if you do not have any plans of making money at all? Why would any investor fund you? Right? But if you go to the investor and you tell them that I do not have any plans anytime early, right, to actually generate revenue, let alone profit, I just want to scale this, build a community, and retain as many customers as I can for free. And then once I have their dependency on my company brand, once I have their dependency on my company product or the CRM software I have or the engine I have created, patented, whatsoever, once I have their dependency, there is no looking back. That is when I start charging them. Right? So this is the pitch you have to follow in case you think your company cannot make early revenue or profit, in the first 1 to 2 years of your startup journey. Now, once you do this pitch, that is when you will have more investors in line for you, because that is when you take them off the hook, because every other investor is looking forward to know your plan about how you can generate revenue. Right? But if you're going in as a company and you're telling them that I have no plans whatsoever to generate revenue, I want to retain a community above 1 million people, and once they depended on my brand and my product and service, that is when I decide to charge them. Right? That is what will have more investors lining up for you. Right? So this is what we call in the this is my personal term, a pre-revenue paradox. Right? So companies, investors expect you to have revenue, but you're someone who's going out there asking them their money and telling them upfront on their face that no, I don't have any plans of generating revenue. If you're in with me, you're in with me for the long term, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years down the lane. But something I can promise you, once you're in, there's definitely a profit. It's going to take time, but there's definitely a profit.